Step into the magical universe of Moringa tea with us today, where every sip holds the promise of rejuvenation and vitality. But before we unfurl its mystique, let me entice you with a question: have you ever delved into the captivating world of Moringa tea? If not, prepare to be enchanted by its captivating benefits and flavors. If you're craving the full scoop on Moringa tea's superpowers, buckle up and stick around till the credits roll. Why? Because I'm about to spill the beans, or should I say, steep the leaves, with a top-secret, mouth-watering recipe that'll have you brewing Moringa tea like a seasoned pro. Trust me, you won't want to miss this concoction of comedy and culinary brilliance. So grab your popcorn, hit play, and let's get brewing. Before we dive into today's video, I've got a quick request. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment. Your engagement truly makes a difference. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe for more awesome content. Let's get started. Tired of feeling sluggish and drained throughout the day? Wish you had a natural pick-me-up to keep you going? Then you need to discover the magic of Moringa tea. Moringa, often referred to as the miracle tree, or the tree of life, is a plant that's been gaining global attention for its remarkable health benefits. But what exactly makes Moringa so special? Well, let's start by taking a closer look at its nutritional composition. Did you know that Moringa is packed with over 92 nutrients, 46 antioxidants, 36 anti-inflammatory compounds, and 18 amino acids? It's like nature's very own pharmacy, offering a plethora of health-boosting properties in every cup. When we look at the scientific evidence, we find that Moringa does indeed have some incredible benefits. So, without further ado, let's explore 7 scientifically proven benefits of Moringa tea. 1. Protecting brain health. First up, we have protecting brain health. Moringa is rich in antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid, which help protect brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. Have you noticed any improvements in your cognitive function since incorporating Moringa tea into your routine? Share your experiences in the comments below. 2. Preventing rheumatoid arthritis. Next, let's talk about preventing rheumatoid arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of Moringa, thanks to compounds like isothiocyanates and quercetin, can help alleviate symptoms associated with joint inflammation. 3. Lowering blood sugar levels. Now, onto lowering blood sugar levels. For individuals managing diabetes or aiming to prevent spikes in blood sugar, Moringa tea can be a wise choice. Studies have shown that it can help regulate glucose absorption in the intestines, leading to more stable blood sugar levels. Have you experienced any improvements in your blood sugar control with Moringa tea? Share your stories with us. 4. Preventing kidney stones. Another benefit of Moringa tea is its ability to prevent kidney stones. Its natural diuretic properties promote the production and elimination of urine, reducing the risk of mineral buildup that can lead to kidney stones. 5. Lowering cholesterol. Moving on to lowering cholesterol. Research has shown that Moringa can help regulate cholesterol levels, promoting heart health and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. 6. Fighting inflammation. Next, let's talk about fighting inflammation. Moringa's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce swelling and discomfort associated with chronic inflammation. 7. Preventing and treating cancer. Last but certainly not least, we have preventing and treating cancer. While more research is needed, preliminary studies suggest that Moringa may have anti-cancer properties, thanks to compounds like quercetin and chlorophyll. Have you or someone you know benefited from Moringa tea in their cancer treatment journey? Share your stories with us. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before adding Moringa tea to your routine. Alright, folks, it's time to spill the tea, quite literally. Alright, here's the tea on making your Moringa magic even tastier. Start by boiling up a liter of filtered water, then toss in a teaspoon of vibrant Moringa leaves. Let those leaves work their magic for a relaxing 5 minutes. Trust me, the wait will be worth it. But wait, here's where the fun begins. For an extra kick, drop in a cinnamon stick or a slice of fresh ginger. Feeling fancy? Splash in some zesty lemon juice, a sprig of mint, or a dollop of honey. Now sit back, relax, and let the flavors dance on your palate as you sip away. Now, let me know in the comment section. Which health benefit of Moringa tea are you most interested in? A. Increased energy levels. B. Improved cognitive function. C. Potential anti-inflammatory properties. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you tried Moringa tea, and if so, what benefits have you experienced? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks.